Hello friends. So today's topic for our lecture is related to optical microscope. So different types of microscopes are available. That is, biological microscopes are available. Then metallurgical microscopes are available. In that metallurgical microscope, optical microscope is one of the microscope which are used for observing the materials. Electronic microscope is also available in metallurgy. From electronic microscope, it's possible to see magnifying images. If we compare optical microscope with electronic microscope, then clarity in electronic microscope is higher than optical microscope. So, in case of optical microscope, if we want to find out the image in that optical microscope, if we consider the single lens, this is lens. If we consider single lens, this is the light source. Okay, if light falls on the object, okay, and then it reflects, it transmits in this direction, straight direction as well as in inclined direction. Okay, so after entering through this lens, it gets inclined, and at here we get the image, and that image is inverted. Okay, this image is inverted image. So this is the actually object, and we get the image of this object here. So some important terms are there. So focal length is there. So distance from the lens at this point, this is the focal point, and this distance is called as focal length, that is f. Then distance from lens to the object is represented with this distance u. Then distance from the lens to the image is represented by v. Now we use this terms in our next discussion. So now next term is related to magnification. Magnification is represented with symbol m. What is magnification? Magnification is the ratio, that is m is equal to distance from the lens to the object. Distance from the lens to the object divided by distance from the lens to the image. This distance v. Okay. In terms of focal length f, if we find out the magnification, so m is equal to f, that is focal length, divided by u distance, that is distance from lens to object, minus f. Okay. Next, if we find out the distance in terms of v, that is m is equal to v, the distance from lens to image, minus f divided by f, that is focal length. So by using this formula, we are able to get the magnification of images. This equation is called as thin lens equation. Actually, equation is not written here. So thin lens equation is there, and thin lens equation is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. So this equation is called as thin lens equation. So 1 upon focal length is equal to 1 upon distance between lens and object plus 1 upon distance between lens and image. Okay. So if we know any two terms, then we are able to find out the third term by using this equation. Now we see what is the internal structure in this optical microscope. Okay, the major objective of this optical microscope is to get the magnified image of the material. This is the main objective in this microscope. Okay, so we get the clear picture of the materials. here this diagram shows the structure inside the optical microscope and how that optical microscope works. So here we discuss that point. First, important components which are related to this structure. So light source is required, source of light. Then this is nothing but aperture. Okay, small hole is required, that is called as aperture. Then one lens is provided, that is called as condenser lens. After that, here one mirror is provided, and this mirror is half silver mirror. Okay, so half silver mirror, this mirror is called as half silver mirror. So after that, objective lens is required. This is objective lens. Then here object is placed, which we want to magnify. This is actual object, and we want the zoom picture of this object or magnifying image of this object. Here eyepiece projector is available, and the output of this eyepiece projector or this magnified image, this is connected to the computer where we want to see magnified image. Okay, so this is magnified image. Here also aperture is provided. Through this aperture, the light is passes and comes towards the eyepiece projector, and after eyepiece projector it comes here, and here we get the final view or magnified image of the object. In this way, these are the important components. How it works. Now, when light passes through this aperture, or when light comes from the light source, it enters through this condenser lens. So from here to here, if we observe the light gets diverted. Okay, here light gets diverted. After passing through this condenser lens, light becomes parallel. Okay, the rays becomes parallel. So the light comes in parallel direction. This light came on this half silver mirror. After entering on this half silver mirror, again it is gets reflected. Now it is reflected. This yellow color lines represent the rays, initial rays which are coming on this half silver mirror. Okay, after reflection it is transmitted in this direction. Okay, it is transmitted in so in this direction. After entering, actually this is parallel lines, and after entering through this objective lens, again that rays gets converged, and we get that light gets come here. Okay, this is actually object. After that, after coming into that object, light gets reflected again from there, from this object, and now this white color rays becomes the return rays which are coming from this object. So again light gets return passing through this, and then it comes here and meet at this point. Here we get one image. Okay, here we get one image. This image is called as intermediate image. After that, it is going like this in this direction. Again goes through this aperture and passes through this eyepiece projector. And after passing through this eyepiece projector, it comes on the here, and this is the final view, that is magnified image. We are getting magnified image here. Okay. So this is actually working. I want to revise this again. From light source, light gets diverted, passes through this condenser lens, light comes in parallel direction, comes on this half silver mirror, then reflected, comes here in parallel direction, passes through this objective lens, light gets converged in this, and object coming towards the object. From that object, light again reflected, passes through this objective lens. It comes here. Here we get intermediate image, which is inverted image. Now from that image, light again passes through this aperture microscope is also called as compound microscope.